In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll be comfortable attaching a document or an image to your conversation using two straightforward methods. I'll keep things clear and simple, and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open a chat and look at the message area where you normally type. On the left side of that text bar, you'll see a small plus sign. Click that plus sign. A quick menu will appear with an option that says Add photos and files. Click that option. Your device's file picker will open, letting you browse your folders just like you would when attaching something to an email. Navigate to the file you want, select it, and confirm your choice. Give it a moment, and you'll see the file appear in the chat input area as an attachment, showing that it's ready to go. That's all you need to do with this method. If you prefer something even faster, there's an alternative. Find the file on your computer, then click and drag it directly onto the ChatGPT window. As you hover over the chat, you'll notice the interface indicate that it's ready to accept the file. Release the mouse, and the file will attach automatically. This drag and drop approach is handy if the file is already visible on your desktop or in an open folder. A couple of quick notes to make this process smoother. If the file takes a moment to appear, don't worry. Uploads can take a bit of time depending on your internet connection and the file's size. If an upload doesn't start, try selecting the file again or dragging it in once more. It also helps to make sure your file has a clear, simple name so you can recognize it easily in the chat. For privacy and safety, always double-check that the file doesn't contain information you don't want to share. Keep in mind that the plus sign sits next to the same place you type your messages, so if you're ever unsure where to look, glance to the left of the text box. And if you prefer a more tactile approach, the drag and drop method is a great go-to that works in seconds. That's it. To recap, you can upload by clicking the plus sign next to the text bar, choosing Add Photos and Files, and selecting your file, or by dragging a file straight into the chat and releasing it. Try both, and use whichever feels most natural for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother workflow with your file uploads in ChatGPT.